Hey, this is Teresa at Track Creation 4E, where we explore, experiment, execute effectively. Today, I want to tell you that Microsoft is making more changes to Outlook Online. You're going to see changes to the navigation. They're bringing their ribbon back. They're making changes when you create a new email. Just people don't know where things are being relocated to, and I'm going to show you today. Okay, so I have navigated to Nestor's profile, and some of you may be seeing what we've been used to for several years now. We don't really have a ribbon across the top, and most of the settings are, quick settings are saved in this location. And let me show you what they've done or what you expect to see. I have navigated to Adele's profile, and what you see now, and there's two tabs at the top, a home and a view tab. You see the ribbon across the top. You have the ability to change this from simplified ribbon, which is the default, to the classic view if you like. And I'm going to turn it back to the simplified. In another video that I did, and I'll put the link down below, I actually showed you how you can customize your ribbon if you like. So you can do that. Now, let's take a look at the View tab. Now, when I look at the View tab, I see, if you click on View Settings, it actually take you right to where the settings are. We don't have to try to remember where things are stored at if they're not located in the quick settings. Now, under the message, group into conversations and show each separately. Again, these items or these actions were saved up under the quick pane. The message preview, show and hide preview text. Under the layout, you can choose, the folder pane. And I want to show you, you can show or hide, but you can also toggle that on and off from the home tab as well. So click on these three little horizontal lines and you can show your folder pane. Let's go back to the view tab. Under layouts, you have the ability to, show your reading pane on the right bottom or hide it. Again, this used to be in our settings, located right here. So same thing with density. It, used to be, or it is still in the quick settings. Now, my thoughts are, is the quick settings pane going away? That's what it makes me think that, once you guys get used to navigating through the ribbon, that one day this is going to disappear. I don't know that for sure, but that's what it feels like to me. Let me know if you agree with me in the comments. Now, you do have the ability to actually get to the immersive reader and to print, and you can customize this ribbon as well. Okay, so let's go back to the home tab and let me show you what's going to happen when you create a new email. So Adele hasn't received those changes yet. Notice how that you do have the ribbon across the top to get to all your formatting, as well as they're going to be moving the send and the discard settings to the top as well. I have not received those changes yet, but based on the documentation that I'm seeing from Microsoft, this information will be moved to the top. Okay, let me show you the behaviors, what's going to happen to the reading pane. So what you're going to see is if you reply to it, the send button and the discard button is going to be at the top as well. So there you have it. Now you know all about the upcoming changes that's going to happen between mid-September and through October. Microsoft said that they're making these changes so they can have a consistent look and feel across all platforms. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Have a good day.